Hey everyone, welcome back guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually transfer money from Cash App, okay, to Apple Pay. So it's really a quick and easy process. So let's get started, okay? First things first, guys, what you want to do is open up Cash App and on your phone and just log in, okay? And once you're in, you just want to make sure that you have a Cash card linked, okay, to your Cash App account. And if you don't, you'll need to request one first by navigating to the Cash card section. Okay. Next, guys, what you want to do is you want to add Cash Card to your Apple Wallet. So to do this, all you need to do is, guys, just open the Apple Wallet app, tap on the plus icon. Okay, tap on the plus icon, and actually just follow the steps to add your Cash Card using the card details provided in the Cash App. Right. Now, once you do that, okay, this is what you're going to do. Now, let's actually transfer the money. So, on the Cash App, just tap on the balance icon at the bottom left corner and then just tap Cash Out. And then you just want to enter the amount that you want to transfer and choose the speed, okay? Though there's two speeds. There's instant for immediate transfers, which has a small fee, or standard for free transfers that actually takes 1 to 3 business days. And guys, once you have cashed out, the money will be available in your Apple Pay wallet via your cash card, and you can now use it directly, guys, through Apple Pay for purchases or transfers. And there you have it, guys. Okay, you have successfully moved cash or money, from your Cash App to your Apple Pay. And if this tutorial helped, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and go, of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to see you guys in the next video, guys.